Hello knowledge seekers, my name is Niharika and welcome back to my channel Learnoji where you can learn just by listening. Okay, let's start with a simple question. Why did the sun go to school? Answer is to get brighter.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay, jokes apart, today we are turning our gaze to the heart of our solar system, the mighty sun. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the intriguing and lesser known facts about the sun. Let's embark on this incredible journey of solar discovery. Number 1. Do you know why our planetary system is called the solar system? This is because the name of our star, the Sun, has been derived from the Latin word sol, S-O-L. So anything related to our Sun is called solar. Number 2. Birth of the Sun. The Sun was created in the center of a huge revolving cloud of gas and dust created by a supernova explosion. This spinning cloud of gas and dust is called the solar nebula. As the nebula collapsed under its own gravity, it spun even faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the nebula's material was pulled towards the center to form the Sun. The Sun is around 4.6 billion years old, making it middle-aged in terms of its lifespan. Number 3. Sun's mass. The Sun weighs about 19.9 lakhs crores tons, which is around 3.33 lakh times more than that of Earth. Did you know our Sun accounts for over 99.8% of total mass of the solar system? Due to this, the Sun exerts an immense gravitational pull on the planets to keep them revolving in definite elliptical orbits. Number 4. Size of the Sun. The Sun's diameter is 13.9 lakh kilometers, which is around 100 times that of Earth. It is so massive that it could fit approximately 13 lakh Earths inside it, and it is nearly 600 times larger than all the planets in the solar system put together. Though it accounts for over 99.8% of total mass of our solar system as discussed earlier, to our surprise, it is much smaller compared to the solar system. The orbit of the farthest recognized planet, Neptune, is 6,000 times as large as the Sun. Number 5. Structure of the Sun. The Sun is made up of 3 inner layers and 4 outer layers, 7 layers in total. The layers are the core, the radiative zone, the convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, the transition region, and corona. Core is the Sun's central region where nuclear fusion occurs. Nuclear fusion is the process that powers the Sun and other stars through the combination of 2 hydrogen atoms to form 1 helium atom. In this process, part of the mass of the hydrogen is converted into energy. Around 600 crore tons of hydrogen is converted into helium every single second in the Sun. Can you believe that? We all know that Earth's core is scorching hot with temperatures around 6,000 degrees Celsius. Did you know estimated temperature of Sun's core reaches around 1.5 crore degrees Celsius? Just imagine how incredibly hot the Sun's core is. Above the core lies the radiative zone where energy generated in the core slowly moves outwards through radiation. Believe it or not, it can take thousands to millions of years for energy to traverse this zone. The outermost layer of the Sun's interior is the convection zone. Here heat is transferred through convection with hot plasma rising and cooler plasma sinking. This creates a turbulent churning motion. Next we have the photosphere, which is the visible surface of the Sun, where most of its visible light is emitted. It is around 300 kilometers thick and has a temperature of around 5500 degrees Celsius. The layer above photosphere is chromosphere, which is a thin layer of hot gas. Lastly, we have the corona, which is the sun's outermost layer extending into space. Surprisingly, the corona is much hotter than the photosphere, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees Celsius. Atmospheric layer called the transition region separates the cooler chromosphere from the hotter corona. These outer layers, chromosphere and corona, are visible during a solar eclipse. Well, we all know that ISRO has recently launched Aditya L1, which is India's first space-based mission to study the Sun. Its main objective is to study the upper atmospheric dynamics of the Sun. In simple terms, to study the outer layers, chromosphere and corona. Number 6. Composition of the Sun. Our Sun is mainly made up of 74% hydrogen and 25% helium by mass. Various other elements such as nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, neon, and iron in trace amounts make up the remaining part of the Sun's composition. These atoms form hot plasma. Plasma of the Sun is an extremely hot and electrically charged state of matter. It is essential for Sun's nuclear fusion process, where hydrogen atoms collide and fuse to form helium, releasing enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Number 7. Light travel time. It takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the light from the Sun to reach the Earth, which means that when we look at the Sun, we are actually seeing it as it was over 8 minutes ago. Astonishingly, sunlight takes 4 hours to reach Neptune. Number 8. Sun's ultimate destiny. The Sun is about halfway through its lifespan. Billions of years from now, the Sun will evolve into a red giant, swallowing up the inner planets. Then, eventually, it will shed its outer layers and become a white dwarf star. There you have it, a brief overview of the Sun, the star that powers our world. That's all for today. In the next video, we are going to explore the unique nicknames of the planets of our solar system.
If you found this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learnoji, where you can improve your general knowledge just by listening. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe. Bye-bye.